Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily enable or disable the audio video calling feature on X. Whether you want to stay connected with friends or prefer more privacy, I'll guide you through the simple steps to manage your calling settings easily. This way you can control who can contact you and how you communicate on the platform. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the X app on your device, and then you have to tap on your profile located at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to choose the settings and privacy option in the left sidebar. After that, you have to select the privacy and safety option. Then you have to choose the chat option. Now you can activate this feature by ensuring that the toggle for audio and video calling is enabled. Later, when you want to get rid of it for a complete peace of mind, simply disable this very toggle. Disabling the audio and video calling feature on X can help you avoid unwanted interruptions, outside noise, and potential trolling from random users. It gives you better control over who can reach you and keeps your experience more peaceful, especially if you prefer using text messages only. Frankly speaking, this setting is especially useful for people who value privacy and don't want to deal with spam calls or disruptive behavior. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.